Vasquez has more on the stock market story that sent Wall Street into chaos.
It seems like all anyone's been talking about is GameStop, Robinhood, and going to the moon. These words all have to do with a plot by a group of amateur investors on Reddit to increase the value of the video game retailer GameStop. The plot caused a lot of very wealthy people to lose a lot of money on the stock market and stirred up quite the media storm.
For interest in GameStop.
This GameStop situation is the craziest I think I've ever seen.
We have some breaking news right now on what has turned into the soap opera and saga of the markets right now, and that is the story of GameStop.
To try and make sense of the situation, we turned to a financial expert on campus.
The magnitude with which you've seen the stock price kind of move or be manipulated or move based on kind of retail investors, kind of coordination of trading. I've never seen anything like this happen.
Wall Street investors recently bet that GameStop stocks would continue to go down in value. A safe bet, considering the company has been hurt by downloadable games. But when the amateur investors came together on the subreddit Wall Street Bets to start buying huge batches of GameStop stocks, the company's value went through the roof.
So it didn't take a whole lot of kind of this buying and this covering of shorts and this action in the options market to kind of push it up exponentially. And then on top of that, you got Elon Musk tweeting in the middle of the week, directing everybody to the Reddit sub forum, which actually that caused the stock to take off. But then what ended up happening after that is that Robinhood's come under fire. What ended up happening is they actually stopped purchases. They stopped allowing purchases in GameStop.
Robinhood stopped selling GameStop stocks because their allies on Wall Street were losing a ton of money from the stocks bought on their site.
Melvin Capital lost 53%. They came out with that number today in January, which is just kind of almost unheard of for a monthly loss for any kind of professional asset management firm.
USD students weighed in.
I feel like people may end up gravitating away from Robinhood because, they were supposed to be for people that had a smaller number of shares, that weren't buying shares in like millions at a time. They're the ones people buy like 1,000, 10,000, or even just a couple hundred. And then all of a sudden they're starting to stop trading and act as though they're doing this in the interest of people that are part of those hedge fund companies, and which is totally just like, it just turned its philosophy on its head.
The future of Robinhood and the long-term effects on the stock market are yet to be seen. It should be interesting to see how this story plays out over the next few weeks. Back to you guys.